Yo, South by Southwest, we out here. I'm with this random Arab dude, and he's got a Tommy backpack on. This random Arab dude. Hey, kick over the sign. Hey, gang, gang, we out here. Hey. Anyways, yeah, we're about to go sneak in the pool, cause these cheeseheads keep trying to kick us out. That's not gonna work. Nah. Yo, guys, secure the bag alert. I'm out here just straight booling. I'm going to Wendy's right now. I'm finna feast, boy. But I'm just straight booling, boy. All right, guys, we out here at the pool. He's about to jump in. Let's see it. I think I just missed that, but that was so juicy. Alright guys, this man is about to test his phone, iPhone 5 cracked screen, in this Ziploc plastic bag, so let's see if it holds up. Woo! Oh, she's soaking, baby. Turn it back on. Ooh, it works. No, you can't move because the plastic bag's in the way, I think, right?
I hope so. It's wet.
Oh! Wait, what the? How come it didn't work? Janky bag. Hey, give a like right now for my boy Samir testing this out. Samir, how many likes should this video get?
1,000 if my phone's broken. Don't allow.
This man's going on the tightrope. Come on, stand up. Whoop, whoop. Still up. And I'm up the truck in tightrope. No Weight Watchers, no lipo. Did you make it? Ah, fail. Front flip for the fans. I always fear that somebody's watching me, and I have no privacy. Shout out your channel real quick.
Hello squad, hit it. Let's go.
Gang.
Once I get my phone tomorrow, I'm gonna be vlogging with you all the time. Trust me.
Alright guys, since we kind of snuck in, we're kind of on high alert because they're like watching us and stuff with the cameras and all that. So yeah.
Yeah, there was a golf cart passing through earlier.
Yeah, a golf cart coming in with the crew. Alright guys, they're coming. Keep your girl head in my Tommy boxes. Yo dude, his phone is legit dead. Look at this, guys. It's freaking dead. Look at this. See that like white stuff on the screen? It's stuck like that. It's dead. Let's just throw it in the pool. It's dead.
No, what the?
It's an iPhone 5. Hey, I don't have money, but I'll give you guys that shout out.
Alright, you wanna watch?
We out here. Hey, we out here. This car is finna kill me, boy. We out here. Yeah.